Hello and welcome to today's market update. I'm your AI host, presented to you by CBN Financial. Let's dive into the latest happenings in the stock market as of June 11, 2025. Today, U.S. stock futures indicated a decline following 3 consecutive sessions of gains. Investors are awaiting the release of key inflation data, with expectations for a modest rise in May's consumer price index due to recent tariff impacts. Meanwhile, the U.S. and China have reached a preliminary framework for a trade truce, which still needs formal approval from Presidents Trump and Xi. This agreement proposes reduced tariffs and addresses Beijing's rare earth export restrictions. Tesla shares are up 1% in pre-market trading after Elon Musk announced a possible June 22 launch for the company's robotaxi service in Austin, Texas, and expressed regret over critical posts about Trump. Lastly, Alphabet's Google is offering voluntary buyout programs across several divisions, including search and central engineering, to align with future initiatives. Despite these offers, Alphabet stock remains mostly unchanged in early trading. In afternoon trading, stocks turned lower as investors digested a closely watched inflation report and the latest developments in trade talks. The Dow Jones Industrial Average edged higher after the U.S. and China salvaged their trade truce, and investors digested a muted inflation report. SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust SPY. The fund is currently trading at $600.24, down 0.47% from the previous close. Apple Inc. AAPL. Shares are at $198.63, down approximately 2% for the day. Amazon.com Inc. AMZN. Trading at $213, down about 0.1%. Alphabet Inc. Google, priced at $177.18, down 0.8%. Microsoft Corporation MSFT, at $471.65, up 0.15%. Tesla Inc. TSLA, currently at $324.36, down 0.5%. Virgin Galactic Holdings INC trading at $3.16, down 7.6%. Boeing Co. BA, priced at $212.92, down 1.3%. As we conclude today's market update, it's evident that investors are closely monitoring inflation data and trade developments. The potential for a U.S.-China trade truce and the recent inflation report are influencing market movements. Stay tuned for further updates as these situations evolve. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, this is your AI host, presented by CBN Financial, signing off.